Felines are captivating species, and their genetics are equally intriguing. In this visual discourse, we will delve into the genetic determinants behind the pigmentation of cat fur. We'll unravel the mysteries behind the diverse colors, patterns, and traits of our feline friends. So sit back and join us on this fascinating journey into the genetic blueprint of cats. Felines possess 19 pairs of chromosomes, each of which harbors an abundance of genes that dictate the individual creature's dimensions, form, gender, hue, design, and hair length. A plethora of mutations have transpired in domesticated cats throughout their evolutionary journey, culminating in a diverse array of phenotypes and pigment. Locus O, also known as the orange gene, is unique to cats and is responsible for the red/orange coloration in their fur. It is situated on the X chromosome, making it sex-linked. The dominant orange allele suppresses the inauguration of black pigment and allows only yellow pigment, while the recessive non-orange allele permits both yellow and black pigments. This particular circumstance can result in a mix of black and orange coloration in female cats, thanks to a process called random X chromosome inactivation. Locus C is a master gene in the formation of pigment. When it's active, it facilitates the formation of both black and yellow pigments. However, an inactive and mutated gene leads to the absence of pigment formation, resulting in an albino cat. Moreover, cats can exhibit additional mutations at locus C that result in color point traits, where the ears, paws, and tails exhibit darker pigmentation than the rest of the body. Locus A, commonly known as the agouti gene, is the main gene that causes cats to produce yellow pigment. When it is active, yellow pigment can form. When it is inactive, yellow pigment is eliminated. The cat's tabby genes are expressed because of the banded yellow and black cat hairs caused by a dominant locus A gene. Recessive mutations at locus A, however, produce solid-colored cats, negating the tabby gene's effects and giving other breeds, like the Siamese, a black appearance. Locus B, also known as the brown gene, influences the volume of black pigment in the cat's fur. The typical black pigment will change to a brown color or a cinnamon color due to the brown gene. Brown coloring is recessive to normal coloring, but dominant over cinnamon coloring.